Hello everybody, welcome back to Scent Score. I just wanted to let you know what I was wearing today. It's Blue Talisman. You can't really see that, can you? It's Blue Talisman by Ex Nihilo. This is my own labelling system, my own little bottles that I do because I've only got small decants. So what I try and do is I try and keep costs down by, rather than having bottles and bottles of everything. I mean, over there I've got over 100 still probably. But in these little decant bottles, what I do is I sometimes get some little decants and put them in a nice little bottle like this. And then I just take it to work with me. Keep it in my bag, keep it in my suit. And then it's just easier to reapply as well, you know, rather than having massive bottles in your car and stuff like that. So this is what I wore today. Blue Talisman Ex Nihilo by Ex Nihilo, and this is the EDP version, not the X Straight. The X Straight apparently projects a little bit better and lasts a bit longer initially, anyway. But I just wanted to give you a little bit of a rundown on this. Now, this is a hyped niche-based fragrance all over the internet, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, you name it. It's not cheap. I think it's nearly 300 quid for 100 ml. I could be mistaken. It's somewhere around there, but it's not cheap anyway. But it's a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. If you haven't tried it, just imagine like this beautiful fly there, this beautiful citrusy opening, and it's just pear is what you get. Pear and bergamot and mandarin and just some other citruses in there. It's really fruity. And it's just such an addictive, beautiful smell. But then once that starts to dry down after the first sort of probably 30 minutes, it doesn't last a long, long time. It just dries down into this musky sort of orange blossom, woody, but very well balanced. Nothing really jumps out. It's very well balanced. You get all the ingredients and the smells, the flavours, whatever you want to call it. But they're all very much like on a graphic equalizer. You've got them all the same. You haven't got one that's popping up here and one that's up there. It's just really, really nice. And it lasts as well. For a freshie, I get performance out of this. 8 hours plus. Easily 8 hours plus. 8 to 10 hours. And I'm still smelling it on my arm, and it's still there now. I mean, I can smell it now. It's still there, and it's, you know, I'm sort of 10 hours later. Probably just getting into the skin scent now, but, you know, you can still smell it. And I did get a compliment while at work today, and it's a friend of mine that I've known for a while, and she said, "Oh, I just went in for a hug when I went to when I saw her today," and she went, "Oh, you smell good. You smell good. What you got on?" Because she knows I do the videos as well, but she goes, "What is it?" And I had to explain, obviously, what it is. She said she couldn't afford it, and I said, "No, neither can I. That's why I've got a small bottle." But yeah, so she loved it as well. But it just projects lovely. You've got like a good foot and a half, and for a freshie, it's really good. And it's so versatile as well. It's unisex, I would say. It appeals to all ages, all men and women. Unisex, like I say. It's a good summer freshie, but I think you can wear this all year round. You can have this as your daily staple if you can afford it. I do have some other. I'll go and grab them. Just stay there. There we go. Right, so I do have these as well. So these are in the similar sort of scent DNA. I've done a review on this one before. I wore it for a full week as well. So we checked the compliments out and that. I think I got 3 or 4. But you've got Turathi Electric by Afnan, which is a really, really nice scent. It's like a sweeter take on this. And this one again is sweeter again, but they're so addictive, both of them, and they do their own little twist. They do their own little thing. This one's a little bit sweeter, lasts really well. You get more pear, and it lasts a bit longer, the pear, before it dries down. And this one again, it's a little bit sweeter, but not as sweet as this, but sweeter than this. And it's a bit more balanced, this one, I'd say. But it's, again, really vibrant, nice freshie. But none of them last as long as this one. None of them last as long. None of them are as high quality. You can tell the difference, but they are really good for the price. But yeah, that's what I wore today. I got a nice compliment as well. And I just wanted to share it with you. So if you haven't tried it, and you can't afford a big bottle, just get a little decant like this. 3 or 4 mils all you need. I mean, this is 10 mil. I've used a bit of this today. I did have a little bit in my other little bottle as well, which I used first. I've only had a couple of sprays out of this one. But yeah, they last enough. And if you wear different stuff every day, you don't need 100 mil, because when are you ever going to use it? So give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it, if you like it, or if you tried the other 2 clones that I just mentioned. And yeah, we'll see you all on the next one. Thanks for watching. In a bit.